Hello, welcome sa ating new learning. This time, gagawa tayo ng uh, new content about paano gumawa ng lighting layout or simple lighting layout sa isang one bedroom condo unit. On this perspective, this is sample lang to ng typical one bedroom condo unit. So, meron siyang sariling comfort room, kitchen, living room, dining, and then meron isang one bedroom saka yung balcony. So, kung ma-check natin, ito lang yung kanyang typical floor plan. Entrance ka rito, and then toilet, ito, dining, living area, bedroom, saka itong si balcony. So this time gawa natin siya ng simpleng lighting layout lang. And then to do that, meron tayong floor plan na papakita. So yun yung typical na perspective kanina. So ito yung typical din na floor plan for one bedroom condo unit. Okay, there's a kitchen, living, dining, bedroom, also with the balcony. So to start with the lighting layout, so dapat alam natin yung legends and symbols. Okay, if you saw this one, one-gang switch, this one, two-gang switch, this one, three-gang switch, S3W, three-way switch, bin light, vent fan or exhaust fan sa toilet. You see this one, ito yung panel board. Okay, this one is strut light. So, itong floor plan, so wala siyang lighting pictures na nilalagay. So, lagyan na lang natin. So, to do that, we can assign yung lighting. Okay, so for this one, lagyan natin ng ito lighting yung harap ng kitchen. Okay, so isa rito sa living at saka dining, bedroom, sa ilaw, and then kahit sa balcony rin. Okay, i-center lang natin to. And then for the balcony, okay, center natin. And then para malagyan siya ng aesthetic, pwede din tayong maglagay ng track lights. Okay, lagyan natin to, track light, saka this one. Actually, itong lighting na assign natin is coming from atin lang to. So depende pa rin yung assign ng fixtures dun sa mismong owner. And then next is lagyan natin ng exhaust fan. Wala pa, meron pa tayo sa toilet. Ito yung shower. Okay, dahil meron siyang partition nito, so kahit dito isang ilaw rin. Okay, for ventilation, lagyan natin ng ito, exhaust fan. Okay, so yung panel board natin, ilagay natin somewhere sa actually sa front door. Okay, dito lang siya nilagay. Nakabaon siya sa wall. So somewhere sa kitchen, dito kasi mainit magluluto. Okay, ito na yung ating assign ng lighting fixtures sa ating one bedroom condo unit. Okay, so to assign the lighting circuit, pwede siyang gawing isang circuito lang. Okay, so this one, i-connect natin tong toilet. Okay, so isabay na rin si si exhaust fan, And then, okay, for this one, okay, so, and then, yung corner. After that, we're done sa kitchen, sa toilet. Pwedeng i-wrong tong ano natin para gumitna. Also with the track light, i-connect natin sila. And then for the bedroom, okay, so si balcony rin pwede rin siya rito. Okay, let's use belay to bend the corner. Okay, ito si bedroom, i-connect natin sila sa track light. Okay, so actually for this area, maliit lang naman, kaya na ng one circuit. Okay. So after that, after mo malagyan ng circuit sila, so next is yung switch naman. So to do for the switch, ganito lang. Okay, magpasok mo ng entrance dito. So i-on mo tong isang light na to. You can assume that is light, pwedeng light number 1. So yung switch is S1. So means to say, yung ilaw na to, control nito. Pagpasok mo, ilawan mo to. Okay, after that, pagpasok mo, so ito rin sunod. Pwede ito, it's number 2. This one is number 3. And then, yung switch nito, you can put on this wall. Pwede mo ilagay sa wall na to, yung switch nitong living and dining. You can assume na that is lamp 2 and 3. Okay, so sir, may naiwan ka itong toilet and bath. So si toilet and bath, assume na yung switch mo ilagay mo sa this door. So pag on mo ng ilaw, sasabay na rin si ito, exhaust fan. Okay, then itong light ng shower, you can assume as 5. So yung switch nito is 4 and 5. Okay, means to say, pag on mo ng ito 4, sabay si exhaust fan, then ito sa shower. We were done already with the dining. So next is the bedroom. So ito yung pintuan niya, ito. So pagpasok mo, dito yung switch mo. Okay, so and then you can pwede mo siyang i-label na actually yung last number is 5. So ito is pwede mo gawing 6. So pag switch mo ng 6, siya lang ang ilaw. Sabay mo yung dalawang track light, that is 7. Okay, so dalawa sila. Okay, let's copy yung ating tagging ng switch. So this is switch 6 and 7. Okay, so after that, pagpasok mo ng bedroom, next is merong ditong door which is balcony. So dito mo rin pwede mo ilagay ang switch after or in the area of balcony or before ka pumasok ng balcony. So you can put here, pwede sa ano, at the wall before the balcony. So this is 7, ito yung 8. So you can label this as switch number 8. Okay, so yun. Okay, let's double check our circuit. Balcony, bedroom, 6 and 7. dining, living, 2 and 3. So, tama to. This number 1. 4, 5. Okay. So, if you ask, so sir, bakit walang emergency light? So, nag-assume tayo na yung ating condo unit is meron siyang sariling gensets na every time ma-off si power supply, so automatic backup si generator sets. So, sir, paano ko siya lagyan ng power supply? So, madali lang. Actually, dito na rin yung panel board natin. Ito yung panel board. So, kahit dyan ka maghumura ng circuit. Tap ka sa panel board. So, anong circuit breaker ang gamitin namin? Actually, pwede na sa minimum is 15 amperes. Pwede na to sa 15 amperes or 20 amperes na circuit breaker. Yung wire is pwede na din sa 2.0 or else 3.5 square mm. Okay, so we're almost done sa ating design. Simple lighting layout. So again, itong condo unit na to, ito yung sample perspective. Actually, if na-check mo, meron silang ilaw na kakaiba. Pin light, meron silang cob light. Ito, sa ceiling. So, depende pa rin sa designer. Meron pang mga wall lamp. Actually, ito na yung base sa mga interior designer, yung malupit na designer. Meron silang nilalagay ng mga aesthetic. Like for this one, meron complete sa kitchen ito. Complete sa kitchen, complete sa ceiling, meron pa sa ito, desk lamp. Okay, but yung ating design is actually simple lang. Yung purpose lang natin ito is meron tayong idea paano gawin yung simpleng lighting layout. So, you can apply, pwede mo lang lagyan ng mga cob light. Depende pa rin sa architect, sa interior designer, o sa owner. So, pwede mo siyang pagandahin. Depende sa magiging gusto ni client. Okay, so that's all for our simple lighting layout. I hope you learned a lot with this short discussion lang. Okay, so please subscribe para kayo updated sa videos na every time i-upload ko. Thank you.